Jai Shri Ram students, I hope you all are fine, happy and healthy. I am your computer teacher, Mrs. Dimple Raguria. We will learn computer with fun. I know you all are you all are waiting to come to school, but due to this pandemic, that is not possible for us. So my dear students, I will try my best to make study enjoyable and home. And we pray to God that we will meet soon and enjoy our happy schooling at our school. So let's start our study. So this is our fourth computer textbook. The name is Touchpad Computer Series. Now today we are going to learn chapter 1. The name of the chapter is Evolution of Computers. So in this chapter we are going to learn about early counting tools, abacus, first calculating device, Pascaline adding machine, Leibniz tape recorder, Charlie Peppe's analytical engine. So these are the evolution of computer. Now what is the meaning of evolution? Evolution means change. जो पहले था उस टाइम से अभी वो टाइम में कंप्यूटर्स कैसे थे, अब कैसे है एंड इन फ्यूचर कैसे होंगे, दैट इज मीन्स एवोल्यूशन. तो इन दिस चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न एवोल्यूशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर कि पहले के टाइम से अर्ली एंसेंट टाइम से अभी तक कंप्यूटर की सीरीज में कौन कौन से चेंजेस हुए हैं. So, from the starting of the computer till the end, what are the different of the computer, how they were looks, how they look now and how they look in future. So, dear student, you have learnt about computers in your previous class. So, you all know the basic concepts of computer, right? Computer is a familiar word for you today. But have you ever thought who invented the computer? Yes? No. We have not thought who invented the computer. So this machine is an outcome of labor of a number of minds. So कंप्यूटर एक ऐसी मशीन है जो अभी आप लैपटॉप यूज़ कर रहे हो, कंप्यूटर यूज़ कर रहे हो, वो एक ऐसी मशीन है कि जिसके इन्वेंशन में बहुत सारे माइंड्स का उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट है. नो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन कैन बी क्रेडिटेड विद द इन्वेंशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. कोई भी एक पर्सन को हम क्रेडिट नहीं दे सकते कि उन्होंने कंप्यूटर का इन्वेंशन किया है. देयर आर सेवरल माइंड्स ऑफ लेबर which outcome the computers. So our first topic is early counting tools. Since ancient times, ancient means कि पुराने टाइम से people have invented tools for calculations. So पुराने टाइम में लोग क्या करते थे, कैलकुलेशंस के लिए, काउंटिंग के लिए टूल्स का यूज़ करते थे. They were using different types of tools. Early men tied knot in a rope and carved marks on the clay in order to keep the records. So early men क्या करते थे कि रोप में डोरी में गांठ बांध के उसकी नॉट बनाते थे and they were counting through the rope. या फिर क्या करते थे, अर्ली ह्यूमन्स चैप्टर में क्या होता था कि वो जो गुफाओं की दीवार होती थी वहाँ पर क्रेव में मार्क्स करके दे वेर काउंट द रिकॉर्ड्स. दे ऑल्सो यूज टू काउंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिंगर्स. सो स्टिल वी आर काउंटिंग विद द फिंगर्स एंड दे ऑल्सो वी आर काउंटिंग विद द फिंगर्स. पेबल्स, पत्थर से दीज आर द पेबल्स, स्टिक्स एंड बोन्स. सो these are the counting methods, patterns they were follow for the early time. Now abacus, first calculating device. You all are aware of this device, right? Abacus, and we really enjoy to work with it. The first steps towards computing was the invention of abacus. This is the abacus invention is the first step. जब कंप्यूटर की इन्वेंशन के लिए स्टार्ट कहाँ से हुआ? abacus. So here you can underline this. The first steps towards computing was the invention of abacus. Around how many years ago? Around 3000 years ago. In which country? China. Once again, the first steps towards computing was the invention of abacus around 3000 years ago. In which country? China. It is a wooden frame with bits of parallel wires which can do simple calculations like additions and subtractions. So you all know this is the wooden frame here and the bits lined here with different colors, and you can do simple calculations like additions and subtractions. So this device is used to calculate numbers at its fast speed. So if you want to calculate simple numbers and simple calculations, then definitely abacus is very useful. In your nursery, playgroup, abacus is also useful for the small child. They will enjoy with the calculation. So in this paragraph what we have learned, that the abacus is the first step towards computing and was invention of abacus around how many years ago? 3000 years ago. In abacus we can do only simple calculations like additions and subtractions. Okay, now the second evolution is Pascaline aiding machine. Second evolution is Pascaline aiding machine. First was abacus, second is Pascaline aiding machines. So in 1642, a mathematician, Blaise Pascal, the name of the mathematician Blaise Pascal, and the machine name is Pascaline. This is the picture of the mathematician Blaise Pascal and the picture of the Pascaline machine. Okay. So in 1642, a mathematician Blaise Pascal invented the calculating machine called the Pascaline aiding machine. So the Blaise Pascal invented the calculating machine in which year? 1642. A mathematician. What was the name of the mathematician? Blaise Pascal, who invented the calculating machine called, what is the name of this machine? Pascaline aiding machine. Pascaline aiding machine. The numbers were fed into the machine by dialing them on the wheels. So here you can see the small types, small wheels. There are so many wheels. So how they count? They count through wheels. The numbers were fed into the machine by dialing them on the wheels. This device is believed to be the first mechanical calculator of the world. So, if I ask you which is the first mechanical calculator of the world, पूरे वर्ल्ड का first mechanical calculator. So the name is Pascaline aiding machine. Here you can underline this statement. This device is believed to be the first mechanical calculator of the world. This machine was capable of performing only additions and subtraction. So there is some limitations that Pascaline aiding machines only capable to perform additions and subtraction. Okay, so in this paragraph what we have learned, that in 1642 a mathematician Blaise Pascal, what was the name of the mathematician? Blaise Pascal. And what is the name of this machine? Pascaline aiding machines. And this was the believed that to be a first. So we have learned the abacus, Pascaline, and now Leibniz tape recorder. In the year 1672, a mathematician, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, invented the digital mechanical calculator called tape recorder. So, after the Pascaline, the evolutions come in the Leibniz tape recorder. So, in the year 1672, a mathematician named Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, who invented the mechanical calculator called tape recorder. It was the first calculator that could perform all four arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplications and divisions. So with the Pascaline adding machine, there was some limitants that only performed additions and subtractions, but in the tape recorder they perform all four arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplications and divisions. Now the evolutions came into the Charles Babbage analytical engine. So in the year 1822, a mathematician, the name of the mathematician was the Charles Babbage, developed a steam-driven calculating machine that was the size of a room. So that is a very big machine that was the size of room. पूरे room की size जितना बड़ा machine, which he called the difference engine. But even after working on this project 4 years, 10 years, this machine never become a reality. So 10 years उस मशीन पर वर्क करने के बावजूद भी that machine never become in reality. So in 1833 he invented a machine called the analytical engine. So after the 10 years he invented again a machine called analytical engine, the first ever working model of a mechanical computer. That was the first ever working model of the mechanical computer, a fully program controlled machine. That was the fully program controlled machine. This is why the Charles Babbage is also known as the father of computers. So that is a very important statement. You can underline this. That's Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. So here we have learned about the four evolution of computers. First abacus, second is Pascaline adding machine, third is Leibniz tape recorder, and the fourth is analytical engine is invented by Charles Babbage, and Charles Babbage is also is known as the father of computers. So here children, next two topics we will learn in our next session. So just read the chapter from the book, and if you don't understand anything then we will discuss same in our live class. Okay children, take care, be safe. Thank you.